today I'll walk you through my 15-minute monthly planning routine that I do to optimize my time so I can find a balance between work and life and make progress towards my goals. For that, I'll be using my monthly planner Notion template that you can get for free using the link in the description below. This simple planning routine is a must if you want to stay on top of both your professional and personal lives. If you're looking for a tool to help you be more organized and productive so you can finally better manage your time and energy, then this planner is for you. So hit the link below to get the Notion planner for free and watch this video until the end. This simple monthly planning routine will help you make time to finally do the things you say are important to you. Here are 3 main reasons you have to try it. First, you get more control of your life because you get to define your habits and plan your tasks according to your personal goals and current priorities. Second, you have more clarity as you get a bird's eye view of everything that is going on in both your professional and personal lives. As a result, you will feel more motivated to complete your tasks as you can clearly see how they contribute to your goals. Third, you'll be less stressed and anxious as you don't need to keep all your to-dos in your head. This will help you find peace of mind, allowing you to be more focused on completing one task at a time. All in all, it gives you more control, clarity, and peace as you create more alignment between your goals and actions. So I've been doing weekly planning for a while, but at the start of this year, I started doing monthly planning and I have been loving it. I found that a month is a great period because a week can feel a little too short and a year is way too long. If you're looking for a simple yet complete tool to help you organize your tasks and establish habits to make progress towards your goals, then download the Notion planner in the link below. Trust me, it is so satisfying getting to the end of the month and clearly see your progress. So I do my 15 monthly planning routine in 6 steps, but what's great about Notion is that you can edit the template however you like it. So you don't need to do all the 6 steps, just keep the ones that serve you, drop the rest, or add something extra. Step 1 is to write down your year and month goals. If you know what your goals are, you can just write them down. But if you don't and you want to set your goals, I recommend that you watch my goal setting video next. If you don't want to set any goals for the year now, you can just ignore this section, it's all good. But do consider setting yearly goals because they help you define your monthly goals, which in turn makes it super easy for you to create weekly plans. Step 2 is to set your priorities and plan some special moments for the month. Priorities are the things you want to focus on. So if you accomplish these 3 priorities, you know it has been a great month. David Allen has this quote that I love, which goes, "You can do anything, but not everything." Basically, you need to choose and prioritize the things you want to do, but make sure that your monthly priorities are aligned with your yearly goals. And finally, special moments are everything you're looking forward to doing during the month. For me, these are usually events or experiences like traveling or spending time with loved ones, or maybe even doing something fun by myself. It's great to take a note of these moments because you will feel good every time you see them, and you can also get to review all the special things you did. Step 3 is to create a task list. First, you need to change the headings in the template to reflect your life areas. Then you can do a brain dump of all the tasks you know you need to complete in the near future. It's funny because the moment I try to consciously think about the tasks I need to do, my brain freezes. I forget everything. If that happens to you, you're not alone. So what I do is, whenever I remember a task I need to do, I write it down on my task list, then I can forget about it, go back to doing whatever I was doing and focus on my task at hand, instead of being distracted by the different things that I need to do. Step 4 is to plan your week. Now that you have a clear understanding of your goals, priorities, and tasks, you can effectively plan your week. I recommend doing it either on Sunday or Monday first thing in the morning. Pick a time that works for you and try to make a little ritual out of it. My weekly planning takes about 10 minutes to do. First, I define my priorities for the week, which are usually habits I'm focusing on establishing or tasks that I really want to complete. I also like to set a reward, which is usually going for a walk, grabbing coffee, or maybe doing some other activity that I like. Second, I write down and review upcoming events or deadlines. Anything that I need to do or get done on a particular day or time. Third, I batch similar tasks and allocate time to completing them according to my priorities and planned events. I recommend trying not to pack your whole day with too many tasks because that's gonna overwhelm you. Instead, plan 3 to 10 tasks at most, depending on their complexity. It's better to plan less tasks and then you can add more if you have some extra time. Step 5 is to define your daily habits. And I love this because I believe that your future is defined by the actions you take daily. There's this quote that I love by John Maxwell that says, "The secret of your success is found in your daily routine." So list out all the habits you want to incorporate into your daily routine this month. It's so important for us to develop daily habits to take care of our body, mind, and soul. I'll leave below a list of 12 habits for life that I created. You don't need to do and track all the 12 habits every single day. Just pick the ones that you know will benefit you and that you need some extra accountability to actually do them. Then you can set a target number of times per week you want to complete them, which is also realistic for you. Tracking your daily habits not only keeps you more accountable, but also motivates you as you can clearly see your progress. I personally love it and I couldn't recommend it more. Step 6 is to review your progress. I do this every week, but it is super quick because I just write down one sentence on the highlights, wins, and lessons from the week. I start with checking whether I completed the tasks that were a priority for me and followed through with the habits I wanted to establish. I take a minute to celebrate everything that I did by writing down my wins. And for the things that I didn't complete, I try to learn from them. Then I try to identify what the problem was and see what I could do better next time. Instead of focusing on the problem, I try to focus on the solution. How could I make it easier for me to do it next time? Who could help me? Or do I even need to be doing this in the first place? This little ritual really helps me finish the week on a good note and start the next week fresh. It helps me continue making progress towards my goals as it keeps me focused on the solutions to the challenges I have. Thank you for watching until the end. Make sure to download the Notion Planner using the link in the description below. It's free. If you're still watching this video, it means you're getting value from it. So consider subscribing to my channel for more. Now, if you want to set your yearly goals, I suggest that you watch my goal setting video next. If you want to establish healthy and productive habits, I suggest that you watch the 7 habits that changed my life. And I hope to see you there. Bye!